gone away. But now she's gone and I don't worry. Lord, I'm sitting on top of the world. Don't you shake my tree. Stay out of my orchard and let my peaches be. But now she's gone and I don't worry. Lord, I'm sitting on top of the world. Just a while ago, said, come home, Daddy, Lord, I need you so. But now she's gone, and I don't worry. Lord, I'm sitting on top of the world. It runs deep and wide. The woman I left, she's on the other side. But now she's gone and I don't worry. Lord, I'm sitting on top of the world.
You all to his own. You thought that I'd be working and I'd never know you'd gone. But here I sat a-crying in a dark room all alone. I knew by your kisses, dear, that something had gone wrong. You acted awful funny, but you said, dear, nothing's wrong. And now I know the reason why, since I found that you are gone. And here I sat a-crying in this dark room all alone. I can't make it on my own. So with this gun, I'll take my life and I'll free you from now on. For nothing's worse than than loneliness in a dark room all alone. Yes, nothing's worse than loneliness in a dark room all alone.
I stood up to say goodbye like all the rest, and I heard him tell the warden just before he reached my cell that my guitar playing friend do my request.
Won't you sing me back home the songs I used to hear? Make my old memories come alive. Take me away and turn back the years. Sing me back home before I die. Choir from off the street came in to do a few old gospel songs, and I heard him tell the singer, there's a song my mama sang. Won't you do it once before you move along? Won't you sing me back home the songs I used to hear? Make my old memories come alive. Take me away and turn back the years. Sing me back home before I before I die.
Hey, how about you southbound? How about a southbound 2-1-mile marker? Hey, guys, celebrate green night. You be the 1-7-mile marker shooting pictures for sure. Smile. Comb your hair is gonna do it to you.
I stopped at a roadhouse in Texas, a little place called Hamburger Dan. I heard that old jukebox a-playing a song called The Truck Driving Man. The waitress poured me some coffee. I thanked her but called her again. I said that old song sure does suit me, 'cause I'm a truck driving man. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. And I'll put a nickel in the jukebox and play the truck driving man.
All right, glass back. You back him down that double nickel. We're going picking teddy bear and be flip-flop over on Silent Hill. Other than that, you got yourself a clean shot westbound. All right, keep the dirty side down. Catch you on the back stroke.
I climbed back aboard that old semi, and then like a flash I was gone. I got my old truck wheels a-rolling. I'm on my way to San Antonio. And when I get my call up to glory, and they take me away from this land, I'll drive my old rig up in heaven, 'cause I'm a truck driving man. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. And I'll put a nickel in the jukebox and play the truck driving man.
Alright, track baits out there in Radio Land. Alright, keep on trucking. You will do it for you next time around. Three's on you. Bye.
And when I get my call up to glory, and they take me away from this land, I'll drive that old rig up in heaven, 'cause I'm a truck driving man. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. And I'll put a nickel in the jukebox and play the truck driving man. And play the truck driving man. Oh, how can it be they have driven their father so helpless and old? Oh, God, may their crimes be forgiven, to perish out here in the cold. I'm old, I'm helpless and feeble, and the days of my youth have gone by. It's over the hills to the poorhouse, I must wander alone there to die. Oh, me on my doorstep up yonder, I've sat with my babes on my knees. No father was happier or fonder than I of my little ones three. I'm old, I'm helpless and feeble, and the days of my youth have gone by. It's over the hills to the poorhouse, I must wander alone there to die. How can it be they have driven their father so helpless and old? Oh, God, may their crimes be forgiven, that I perish out here in the cold. I'm old, I'm helpless and feeble, and the days of my youth have gone by. It's over the hills to the poorhouse, I must wander alone there to die. I must wander alone there to die.
It won't close 'cause the railing's froze. Get your mind off winter time. You ain't going nowhere. Ooh-wee, ride me high. Tomorrow's the day my bride's gonna come. Oh Lord, we're gonna fly down in my easy chair. Well, I don't care how many letters you sent. The morning's come and the morning's went. Pick up your money and pack up your tent, 'cause you ain't going nowhere. Ooh-wee, ride me high. Tomorrow's the day my bride's gonna come. Oh Lord, we gonna fly down in my easy chair. Shoots, tailgates and substitutes. Strap yourself to a tree with roots, 'cause you ain't going nowhere. Oh, we ride me high. Tomorrow's the day my bride's gonna come. Oh Lord, we gonna fly down in my easy chair. Not keep all his kings supplied with sheep. Climb that mountain no matter how steep, 'cause you ain't going nowhere. Ooh, we ride me high. Tomorrow's the day my bride's gonna come. Oh Lord, we gonna fly down in my easy chair.
I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be all alone just knowing that you're gone. I know that I'd surely lose my mind.
So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back.
I'd rather be in some dark hollow where the sun don't ever shine than to be all alone in a city, in a dark room with you on my mind.
So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. So blow your whistle, freight train, take me farther on down the track. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. I'm going away, I'm leaving today. I'm going, but I ain't coming back. Mama said, don't go near that river. Don't be hanging around old Catfish John. Come the morning, I'll always be there, walking in his footsteps in sweet Dayley.
Let me dream of another morning and the time so long ago when the sweet magnolias blossom. Cotton fields were white as snow. Catfish John was a river hobo, living by where the river bends. Searching back, I still remember I was proud to be his friend.
Mama said, don't go near that river. Don't be hanging around old Catfish John. Come the morning, I'll always be there, walking in his footsteps in the sweet day of dawn.
Born a slave in the town of Vicksburg, traded for a chestnut mare. Still he never spoke in anger, though his load was hard to bear.
Mama said, don't go near that river. Don't be hanging around old Catfish John. Come the morning, I'll always be there, walking in his footsteps in the sweet day of dawn. Walking in his footsteps in the sweet day of dawn.
Stockade, my friends have turned their backs on me.
Go and leave if you wish to. Never let cross your mind in your heart. You love another, so leave me, darling, I don't mind.
I dreamed I held you in my arms. When I awoke, I was mistaken. I was gazing through the bars.
Go and leave if you wish to. Never let cross your mind in your heart. You love another, so leave me, darling, I don't mind. So leave me, darling, I don't mind.
In the deep rolling hills of old Virginia, there's a place how they sing around the great white throne.
White doves will mourn in sorrow. The willows will hang their heads. I live my life in sorrow since mother and daddy are dead. I live my life in sorrow since mother